How to customize notifications on Signal. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Signal app on your device. Here, click on your profile at the top left. Then scroll down in here and click on notifications. After you click on notifications, turn on notifications and click on customize. After you click on customize, it will lead you to this page. Here, select is it important or other. If you press on important, you can turn on pop on screen. After you turn that on, when device is unlocked, it will show notification as a banner. Now, if you go back, you'll be able to turn on in-chat sounds, repeat alerts if you want, and if you press on show, here you will find three options. It will show name and messages, name only, and other options you can select. And this is how to customize notification on Signal. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.